Hey guys, Basil and Will from Grayson Hobby, and today's a day we give away the quad, and that quad's name is
GTM 530.
530. All right, we got the name right. So before we begin, this is gonna be one take, so there's no voodoo or editing magic.
Yeah, we're just gonna do a raw cut of this thing. We're just giving away a quad here. So
all right. So first off, we want to thank everybody. We got tons and tons and tons of awesome, great love, great vibes comments. I really appreciate that.
And some is stuff in stock comments, but
yeah. All right, let's get to it.
All right, so guys, two things here. We got. Look at his face. Sorry. Okay, that's 5 seconds in. GTM 530 giveaway. I'm copying the URL here.
All right.
And then I have to go to YouTube Random Comment Picker, which is the website thingy. So I have
unaffiliated, no links.
Here, I have the duplicate filters. I guess is selected, so people can't multi-post and increase their chance of winning. So I'm clicking this here, and we have 722 unique comments,
which is awesome.
And then I just click start. So you guys ready?
I'm ready.
And who thinks they're gonna win? Huh?
I'm gonna win.
Moment of truth? You're not gonna win.
They never said we were.
All right, here we go.
Oh wait, there goes Will.
I didn't enter. And Johnny Van FPV. You guys are awesome. You're crap! Really?
The original wizard.
That is well deserved right there.
Johnny Van FPV.
Awesome. So Johnny, we're gonna have to get your information, I guess, to get you a quad. The
GTM 530.
M530. Oh, he even got it right.
By the way, they're not in stock yet. We don't have them.
Yeah, no. They are being made. Once they're available, we're gonna send them.
Yes, we had a small shipment of the GTR V2s last week, and that one didn't make it. So the guys from Diatone said they're gonna be here this week.
Yeah.
So when they get here, we'll ship it out to you.
So it's there. So again, Johnny Van FPV, he is the winner. I really don't know what to do now. So yes. Here we go. That's it.
Real quick, what are we getting this week from? Explain about the GTR 90s. What do we want to do this?
What do you mean the GTR 90s?
All right, we're not gonna do it.
Yeah. Sorry. Bye. Bye, guys.